Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of you: your online status not showing up on Facebook Messenger. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that could get you back online in no time. This problem often pops up due to app glitches, outdated software, or even simple settings errors, but we'll tackle it head-on. First things first, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Sometimes, a weak signal can make your status appear offline. Open your Messenger app and see if other features like messaging work. If not, restart your device. It's an oldie but a goodie that resolves many temporary bugs. Next, update your Facebook Messenger app. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates. Outdated apps are a major culprit in 2025, as Facebook rolls out frequent security patches. Once updated, reopen the app and check if your status is visible to your friends. If that doesn't do the trick, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This flushes out any corrupted data that's messing with your online visibility. Another key step is to review your app permissions. Ensure Messenger has access to your contacts, microphone, and notifications. Go to your phone's Settings, Apps, Messenger, Permissions, and toggle on anything that's turned off. Sometimes, restricted permissions can hide your status. If you're still facing issues, log out of Messenger and log back in. Open the app, go to your profile, and select Log Out. Wait a few seconds, then log in again with your credentials. This often resets any session errors. As a last resort, if none of these work, contact Facebook support. Go to the Help Center in the app or visit their website, and report the issue with details like your device and app version. They might have specific fixes for 2025 updates. There you have it. Easy steps to fix your online status on Messenger. I hope this helps you get connected again. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.